Welcome to your next maths lesson where we're focusing on written division methods. Pause this video, write the LO in your book and then press play when you're ready to continue. Before we start, let's warm up. This is a bit of a recap of yesterday. Jack has 21 apples. He thinks he cannot split them into 3 groups because there are only 2 tens. Is he correct? Prove it. How can we prove it? The way that we can prove it is by checking. So in your book, I want you to draw 21 apples. Remember, it's not an art lesson, it's a maths lesson, so just a circle is fine. And remember, he says he can't split them into 3 groups, so I want you to draw 3 circles. 21 apples, 3 circles. Can we split 21 apples between 3 groups? Pause this video, investigate, and then press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We've managed to split them all evenly. Let's check how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've managed to split them evenly. So Jack is not correct because you can split them evenly between 3 groups and it means that there are 7 in each group. How could we write that as a maths number sentence? Have a think. Well done if you got it right. It would be 21, because we had 21 apples to begin with, divided by 3, because that's what we're sharing them into. And the answer is 7. Well done. Now we've looked at how we can divide using pictures, I want us to have a go at this. So remember bus stop that we looked at yesterday? I want you to pause this video and have a go at using the bus stop method to divide 48 by 2. Pause this video now and press play when you're ready. So the first thing you should have done was drawn your bus stop. 2 should go on the outside because that's what we're dividing by, and 48 goes inside. So remember, we're thinking about how many 2's go into 48. So we start with the 4 with the 10's. So I've got my 10's to the side. 2, 4. They go in twice. How many 2's go into 8? 2, 4, 6, 8, 4. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. Well done. I want you to watch this clip of me showing you how to answer this question using the bus stop method. 45 divided by 3. Let's try this one. 45 divided by 3. Draw my bus stop. We're dividing by 3, so that goes on the outside. 45 goes in the middle. How many 3's go into 45, or 45 divided by 3? So how many 3's go into 4? 3. Oh, hold on. This isn't quite as easy. Only 1 3 goes into 4, but I've got 1 left over. 3, 4. Got 1 left over. So I'm going to put my leftover there. So now it is 15. So how many 3's go into 15? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 5. So 45 divided by 3 is 15. There we go. So I've answered the question 45 divided by 3 and it is 15. Let's have another example. Let's try 72 divided by 4. Let's practice once more. So 72 divided by 4. Bus stop first. Dividing by 4. 72. So see how many 4's go into 72, or 72 divided by 4. So how many 4's go into 7? 4, 8. Oh, okay, so only 1 goes in once fully. And then how many is left over? 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 is left over. So 4 only goes into 7 once fully, with 3 left over. So now, because I put my 3 there, now I'm seeing how many 4's go into 32. Let's count. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Right, 8. 4 goes into 32 8 times. So 72 divided by 4 is 18. There's another example to help you. So we did 72 divided by 4 and the answer was 18. Now it's your chance to have a go. 85 divided by 5. So first of all, draw your bus stop. We're dividing by 5, so that goes on the outside. And we're dividing by, seeing how many 5s go into 85. Pause this video, have a go, and then press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, let's see how you did. So how many 5s go into 8? Well, it only goes in once fully, doesn't it? So that 1 goes above. How many is left over? 3 is left over. So we put that 3 next to the 5. So now we're seeing how many 5s go into 35. So let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It goes in 7 times. So 85 divided by 5 is 17. Well done. Okay, if you found that a bit tricky, watch this clip back of my examples. If you're ready to start some questions on your own, then I've got 3 levels of challenge for you: mild, spicy and extra hot. Choose your challenge, press pause, complete your activity and then press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, let's see how you got on. Here are the answers. Press pause, mark your work and then press play when you're ready to continue. Next, we're going to use what we've learned using the bus stop method to answer some problems. Now, remember, these problems are going to have, we're going to be using the bus stop method to answer them, and they are going to involve us exchanging 10s for 1s. So we're going to be moving that number along. So it's really important that we read the question, we understand the question that's being asked of us, we choose the correct method of calculation, remember it's division today, solve the problem, answer the question and check our answers. So we're going to be using our tools, our rucksack, to help us to answer these questions. Let's have a go at one together. So the children are at a party. How much of each food could each child eat? So we've got 52 slices of pizza, 48 sandwiches, 68 biscuits and 72 juice boxes. That's a lot of food. And how many children are going to be having this food and drink? Only 4. Gosh, that's a lot of food and drink for these children to eat. So we're trying to see how much of each food these children will have. So each time we're going to be dividing or sharing between how many? 4. Well done. So each time we're going to be dividing each number by 4. Here's my example of the first answer. Okay, so as you saw, I did 52 divided by 4 and the answer was 13. Pause this video and answer the rest of the questions and press play when you're ready to continue. Let's see how you did. So 48 divided by 4 is 12, 68 divided by 4 is 17, and 72 divided by 4 is 18. That's a lot of food for these children to eat. Okay, now it's time for you to answer some more questions. There's 3 levels of challenge: mild, spicy and extra hot. Pause the video on the activity you want to complete. Make sure you use the bus stop method and then press play when you're ready to mark your work. Let's see how you got on. Here are your answers. Pause the video, mark your work and then press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, well done for all your hard work today. If you would like to continue your learning, I've got an investigation for you. See if you can create some of your own problems for someone at home to solve using the bus stop method to divide. Well done today and I'll see you tomorrow.